So welcome everyone to the first VCLS webinar of 2024. I am Emmanuelle Osage, working as a regulatory scientist at VCLS, and it's my pleasure to host and moderate today's webinar on getting an early access program off the ground safely. This presentation will start by presenting briefly what is an early access program, and then the framework and the challenges of such programs. Then a focus will be made on pharmacovigilance before switching to a case study.
The primary goal should be the patient benefit, meaning that the patient should be at the center of this program. It's a way to get them an access to a promising and innovative treatment, which aims to improve their outcomes and potentially extend their survival. How to maximize the EAP success? The key point is really to plan all the activities as early as possible. The patient is at the center of this process, so patients should be empowered. Some data will be collected, in particular safety, so your safety team should be involved as early as possible as well. And because the product will be provided to the sites, to the patients, the supply chain needs to be also involved in the first steps.
In order to make sure that healthcare professionals are submitting all the safety data that's required by the company, these can be listed in the EAP protocol. So a transversal approach will enable you to optimize your PV throughout the product cycle. You're going to be able to ensure you have your 360-degree knowledge in place from the implementation through to the PV maintenance of your program. It will allow for local presence for countries where it's required, such as France. You'll be able to ensure that you have a robust QMS, which is just as important in an early access program as for your clinical trial and in post-market. You'll be able to implement adapted safety reporting tools because you'll be able to understand the needs from the very implementation of the program, and you'll be able to have a streamlined interface between your healthcare professionals and your PV team.